Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take a home science class. And students, just look, today's topic is chapter 10 CQ. Okay, that was a creative questions. So let's start the class, students. This is chapter 10. This is the CQ, that was a creative question. At first you have to read the stem. Pushpa's mother-in-law has been ill for the last few days. She has been suffering from the deficiency of insulin hormone in her body. Pushpa is giving her proper medicine. Sometimes, to keep the request of her mother-in-law, Pushpa prepares patishakta pitha with kheer and gives her to eat. Seeing this, Pushpa's husband has told her to become more careful to plan the diet of his mother. So from this stream we have 4 questions. The first one is, what is a patient's diet? Number B, describe the necessity of a patient's diet. Number C, explain how the food that Pushpa has prepared will affect her mother-in-law's health. Number D, do you think a proper diet will help to control mother-in-law's disease? Analyze it. So this is the first question is, what is a patient's diet? The answer number A. The diet that a patient takes with special instructions in order to get well quickly or to control the disease is called a patient's diet. Number B. Describe the necessity of a patient's diet. Number B. A patient needs to follow a special diet chart in order to get well quickly or to control the disease. Patient's diet is very important to reduce the complications and severity of the disease. It also helps to fulfill the loss of nutrition and energy caused by the disease. Now question number C. Explain how the food that Pushpa has prepared will affect her mother-in-law's health. This is the answer. Pushpa's mother-in-law has been suffering from the deficiency of insulin hormone in her body, which means she is a diabetic patient. Diabetes cannot be checked or controlled without controlling the diet. A person with diabetes should avoid the foods which increase glucose in blood. But Pushpa sometimes gives her mother-in-law patishakta pitha with kheer, which is full of carbohydrate and fat. This type of food can increase the amount of glucose in blood very quickly. So it is harmful for a diabetic patient. Finally, we can say that the food Pushpa prepared will affect her mother-in-law's health. Number D, the last question. Do you think a proper diet will help to control mother-in-law's disease? Analyze it. The answer is, Pushpa's mother-in-law is suffering from diabetes. I think a proper diet will help to control her disease. Diabetes is caused by the lack of insulin in our body. Some genetic factors, obesity, undisciplined lifestyle, etc. are the reasons for diabetes. Diabetes cannot be cured once a person gets this, but it can be checked by following some rules. Diabetes cannot be checked or controlled without controlling the diet. It increases the level of glucose in the blood of a body. This glucose is produced by the foods that we take. There are some foods which increase glucose in our blood quickly. A person with diabetes should avoid these foods. Besides, there are some foods which do not increase glucose quickly, but taking excessive amount of these foods increase glucose in the blood of our body. That's why a diabetic patient should take limited amount of these foods. A person with diabetes can take more foods with maximum fibers as they do not increase glucose in blood. Okay students, so today we have learned the creative questions from chapter 10. Students, take care, stay safe, stay well, Allah Hafiz.